Hi guys, back with a new video. As I promised in the last video on the triangle that I'm going to visit physically and show you. So I visited that triangle and I've recorded a video as well, which you can see now in some time. I couldn't give my voice in the video, so I've given a voiceover later on. So you can see that video, enjoy, and this is going to give you a clear clarity on the current developments in the triangle. So in this video, I've focused majorly on the upper half of the triangle. So you can see and enjoy the video. After crossing Patancheru, on the left you will see this arch. This road goes to Shankarpalli. This is Patancheru to Shankarpalli road. Right now we are traveling on this road. This is a proposed 200 feet road as per the HMDA master plan. What you see in front of you is Outer Ring Road and we are crossing it right now. Once you cross Outer Ring Road, the area which comes is Kaddanur. So we have crossed Outer Ring Road right now. And we are heading towards Kaddanur. So it's a busy road, a lot of vehicles you can see, and a lot of heavy vehicles as well, trucks and all you can see on this road. So this area is Kaddanur, which you can see right now is Kaddanur in front of you. So we are crossing Kaddanur. So after crossing Kaddanur, we are going to head towards Vishaka Road. Vishaka Road is what you can see right now on your left side. So we have taken the left on Vishaka Road. On your right, what you see is 2 BHK houses. So we are heading towards Vishaka Road right now. The village which comes next is Ghanpur village. Adjacent to Ghanpur village, there are a couple of projects. In fact, this road has many projects. Right now we are heading towards Ghanpur village. So this project which you can see in front of you right now, this on the right side is Gachipoli Paradise, phase 4 and 5. And this on the left is Mahidhara city, which you are seeing right now is Mahidhara city. And both of these projects are just adjacent to Ghanpur village. The houses which you can see at a distance are Ghanpur village on the left side. So there are roads connecting Ghanpur to Velimala as well. There are proposed 100 feet roads, but as of now the roads are very narrow. This is one of the road. You can see on the left. I'll come back and show that again. This is the Vishaka road, straight dead end. There is Vishaka Industries. This is all Ghanpur village, what you're seeing right now. So after crossing Ghanpur village, on the right side you can see Green Mark Villas. This is Green Mark Villas road. This is also a proposed 100 feet road, but as of now the road is very narrow. But hundreds of houses are being already constructed here, as you can see in front of you. So my camera was shaking a lot because the road is not so good. Apologies for that, but you can see these are the houses. Green Mark Villas. And it is on a road which is a proposed 100 feet, but as of now the road is in a very pathetic condition, but hopefully this gets laid soon. So again we are going to go to the main road and take a right. Vishaka Road. Right now I'm on Vishaka Road. You can see a lot of this heavy vehicles, trucks and lorries on the left and the right. This is the industrial area. In fact, Steel Authority of India Limited also have some yards here, sub storage yards. I don't know what kind of uh, purpose it is used for, but there are some yards. Steel Authority of India Limited. has some place here. Maybe they are using it as a storage place. We are heading towards the dead end of this road. You can see a railway track at the dead end. You can see here Steel Authority of India Limited on the right side, as I showed you. Dead end of this road leads to a railway track, and on the other side of the track is the lower half of the triangle, which I discussed in my previous video. If you have missed it, go and watch. Now we are traveling on this road and we will head towards Vishaka Industries. At a distance, as you can see, there is a warehouse. It is a warehouse of All Cargo Logistics Company. So All Cargo Logistics Company is one of the biggest logistics company in India. So as you can see here right now in front of you, it's a warehouse where a lot of loading and loading happens. So definitely a lot of vehicles will be coming here for sure, because this is a logistics place. So a lot of moments of vehicle will be there here. All Cargo, as you can see on the screen. Now after crossing this, we will head towards Vishaka Industries, and then we reach to a dead end where you will find a railway track. So guys, as you can see on your left and even on your right, a lot of these vehicles, heavy vehicles. Right now what you can see on your screen, which I'm trying to show you, is Vishaka Industries. That is the gate. And at a distance, if you are able to observe and see, there is a train which is halted there. That is the railway track which separates the upper part of the triangle and the lower part of the triangle. If you cross this track, there is a passage, there is a pass through, but somehow it was not maintained well. I'll show you that as well. So we thought of crossing this, but it was next to impossible to cross in a car using that pass through, because it is in a very bad shape. As of now, the connectivity of this part of the triangle with that part of the triangle is little challenging, is what I understood. At least through this pass through, it is not possible, practically feasible to cross. As you can see at a distance, it's very narrow. I hope you can see it. So we had a thought of crossing it, but again then we discarded, seeing the condition it wasn't. So again we went back. We traveled again on the Vishaka road. I'm going to show you that. And then we headed towards, right now as you can see, we are again back on the same road. On the left, you can see Vishaka Industries, which I'm trying to show you now. So now we're returning back from Vishaka Industries. And the plan was to go to Velimala. If you remember, I showed you BHEL Mayfair Villa sometime back. It was on a proposed 100 feet road. If you go on that road on the right side, you will reach Velimala. I'm going to take you there as well. But as of now, what we did was we took a left. As you can see here, we took a left and we went till dead end. That is where you find a Concor manufacturing unit. So Concor is a manufacturing company. They manufacture this containers which you see in goods train, right? I'm sure you heard of this Concor. So that factory or that unit was there. I'm not sure it's a manufacturing unit or a store unit, but a lot of this Concor containers were there. And what you saw on the right side, they were again all cargo warehouses. So right now, as you can see at a distance, a lot of these symbols were there: high voltage, danger, be careful. We were a little scared to go, but eventually we went and we explored that place. As you can see on that other side of the track, there is a track, internal track, just for the sake of company, that is Concor containers. Now again we went back on the main road and headed towards Velimala, which I'm going to show you now. Now we are returning back and going towards Velimala road. This is the Velimala road, which you can see. If you remember, I told you opposite of BHEL Mayfair Villas. This is the road. Not in right shape right now, but it's a proposed 100 feet road. In this road, a lot of movement I could see. A lot of these villas are coming up. Even I saw one apartment project as well. You can see these villas on the left side. Again, the road was not so great, so you can see the camera is shaking a lot. Apologies for that. So irrespective of roads and connectivity, this area has already grown a lot. I could see many villas and apartments coming up in this area. If you go straight, you will reach to a junction that is called as Velimala Junction. I'm going to show you that as well. This is Velimala Junction. If you take a right from there, you reach to the overall road. But now we have taken a left. Now this is Telangana Model School, which you saw on the right side. And at a distance, you can see the villas which I showed you. So this road again takes us to Ghanpur village. We are going to go again to the Vishaka road inside through Ghanpur village. So this road is nicely done with lot of villas coming up in this road. That school which you see is Gaudium School. But as of now, the connectivity is a temporary ramp which is being laid after the Kollur exit, which is not so safe to travel, but as of now, that is the only way of connection and people are using it. So you can see these villas here on the left side at a distance. So these villas are nicely done. And I could see some people staying there already. You can see this. This is the villa project. It's a big one. This road has many villa projects, but the price here is around 2.5 crores, 3 crores. Now we took a left. This is Ghanpur village. Through this village, we are going to go again to the Vishaka road, the main Vishaka road. We are heading towards the main road. Right now we are in the main road. This road leads to Shankarpalli, Bhanur. I'm sure you heard of BDL, Bharat Dynamics Limited. It is on the same road. You can see a lot of ventures here on the left and the right. The next village which is going to come is Nandigaon. So Nandigaon is going to come in some time now. This is Nandigaon, as you saw the board. So these houses are in Nandigaon village. A lot of ventures even here. So once you cross Nandigaon, you will reach next place which is Bhanur, where you will find ODF. We are heading towards Bhanur right now. This is Bhanur petrol bunk. You can see right now we are in the outskirts of Bhanur. As you can see the board right now, Bhanur. So right now we have entered officially into Bhanur. Here also you have so many benches on the left and the right. Even Lahiri Resorts is here. This is the Bhanur village, which you can see right now. So we are crossing Bhanur village and we are heading towards BDL, Bharat Dynamics Limited. So I'm not going to go to Shankarpalli. I'm going to take a left from BDL, and that takes us to Kondakal and again Mokila. I'm going to show you that road. So right now we are traveling from Bhanur to BDL road. So this is all Bhanur, you can see. Now this wall which you can see is the BDL wall. On the right side you see the BDL factory, on the left side you have houses. The quarters are on the left side, the factory is on the right side. So we have reached there right now. What you see on the right side is BDL, Bharat Dynamics Limited. I'm trying to show you. That is BDL. And the left side you see the housing. This is BDL housing. This road straight, if you go, it goes to Shankarpalli. That is the housing project, what you're seeing right now. Now we are moving towards Shankarpalli. You will see a police station on the left side. This is Bhanur BDL police station. So just adjacent to this road, maybe just a few meters, 200-300 meters, you will get a left. This is the left. Okay, this left takes us to Kondakal. This is also a proposed 100 feet road according to HMDA master plan. Even on these roads, there are so many ventures, famous ventures like Hiranandani, Shubhagruha, Harshit are on this road. This is Gachibowli, one of the ventures. On the right now you will see Hiranandani. This is Hiranandani, house of Hiranandani. So this road also, as of now, it's narrow, it's not so great, but hopefully it becomes a 100 feet road in the future. This is behind BDL township, this area, this road. Now we are heading towards Kondakal. You can see the road. Now you can see on the right side, there are some ventures. Shubhagruha as well as Harshit developers on the right side. So we are not going to go inside, we are going to take a left now, or in fact a straight road. This is the road which goes towards Kondakal. We have to go through Kondakal village and then we will reach to a track which we have to cross, and then we reach Mokila, and that ends the upper part of the triangle. So I'm showing you that road as well right now. This is the entry approach road to Kondakal village. Now we are at Kondakal village. This is Kondakal village. You have to take a right from here, and then we reach to a railway gate, and that railway track is the segregating part of the upper and the lower half of the triangle. You can see a track at a distance. That track is the railway track. You can see in fact a train as well there. So there is a railway gate. We had to wait here for some time for the train to pass and the gate to open. So this is where we exit the upper part of the triangle, now enter to the lower part of the triangle. Now as you see, we are exiting, and now we have successfully crossed upper half of the triangle, and now we are into the lower half, which is the Mokila. You can see that on the board as well. Left side Mokila, right side Kondakal. So this is the current connectivity, guys. If you want to reach from BDL or Kondakal to Mokila, this is the way, this is the route. Hopefully a bridge should come in the future, otherwise it's very narrow as of now. And this road leads us to Mokila main road, Shankarpalli road. And on the same road you will find Aparna Meadows project as well. You can see this is Aparna Western Meadows project. This is the main entry gate. Now we are heading towards the main Shankarpalli road. This road was also getting laid, it was in progress. This road also, there are few villa projects, SARC projects. Now you can see the road is getting laid. This road will lead us to the main road. The work is in progress. You can see some villas, they are SARC villas. And now we are going to reach to the main road, the main Shankarpalli road. So what we have done is we have entered into the upper half of the triangle and we came out. Now we are in the lower half of the triangle, and this is the lower edge of the triangle. The belt which you saw from Patancheru to Shankarpalli, that was the upper edge. Right now this road is the lower edge of the triangle. Now we are traveling on this road, and this road leads us to Kokapet Financial District. So you can see this area is nicely developed. A lot of villas are here, and it is very expensive already. It is around 40-45,000 per square yard. You can see a lot of villas on the left side, right side. A lot of development is happening here. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. In this video I tried to show you the development majorly on the upper part of the triangle, because showing on a map doesn't show reality. So I've just tried to show you in 2021 in the month of June how it looks. Today is June 9th. So I hope you got an idea how the triangle looks currently as of now. You can see there's a lot of villas on the left and the right. This is the main Mokila road, which is going to connect us to Kokapet. I trust you got a fair idea right now. So to conclude this video, what I can say is no one can discard that this area is growing. It's really growing. That's true. But the prices are also growing a lot. It is becoming very expensive. 45,000 in the lower half of the triangle, upper part depends where you're buying. Somewhere around 23 till 30,000 or even 35,000 in some areas in Velimala, right? So make sure that you choose a plot wisely, and definitely we cannot discard the fact that a lot of these vehicles are going to travel on that road. I showed you, right, that Vishaka road is filled with a lot of these industries. So definitely cargo industry is there, Vishaka is there, we can see SAIL is there, Steel Authority of India Limited. So vehicles will definitely be flowing, that you cannot discard, and even BD, a lot of vehicles will be, the flow of vehicles will be there. So take a decision wisely. So this is the ICFA University. This is where the Mokila starts. So with this I end. I don't want to conclude anything, but make sure that you make wise decisions. Okay. Thank you so much. Take care. See you soon with a new video.